Meet the Q7 Max drone, the compact aerial powerhouse with 8K ultra-clear imaging, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, and 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, this drone lets you unlock a world of new perspectives effortlessly. The Q7 Max is designed to perform at every stage of your flying journey, combining pro-level features with a portable body that fits perfectly in your backpack. With 5G HD FPV transmission, up to 1,500 meters control range, and 25 to 30 minutes of flight time, you're completely free to explore skies farther than before. Capture the moment in stunning 8K resolution, enhanced by a 3-axis anti-shake gimbal that keeps your footage buttery smooth, even in fast action or windy conditions. Switch between wide-angle, 180 degrees, or spherical panoramas. Just tap your screen and watch the drone create cinematic panoramas instantly. The AE app automatically enhances your photos with vibrant colors and striking details, so every flight becomes a creative masterpiece. The Q7 Max is loaded with intelligent flight tech. Smart Follow Mode, the drone tracks your movement automatically. Point of Interest Surround, perfect circular cinematic shots. Gesture Control, snap photos or start recording hands-free. One Key Return, no stress if you lose signal or battery runs low. Optical Flow plus GPS dual positioning, rock-solid hovering indoors or out. And thanks to 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance, you can fly with confidence through tight spaces and complex environments. Directly download photos and clips from the drone to your phone at up to 20 megabytes per second. Edit instantly using built-in templates, then share your adventures anytime, anywhere. Plus, the touchscreen LCD controller gives you real-time visuals and precise flight control without needing your smartphone. Powerful, portable, and packed with professional tools, the Q7 Max drone is your ticket to a whole new world of creative moments. Take your storytelling higher and make every flight unforgettable. This is the Q7 Max. Your adventure begins now.